Welcome to the AW Services YouTube channel, a video which may be helpful for those of you that work on electronics, whether that be commercially or for a hobby or just wanting to repair something. So with many types of consumer electronics and various other items that use screws to fasten cases, you may come across security screws. Security screws are there for a reason, to keep you out. If your product item has a valid warranty on there, they can sometimes be used to tell or be used to see whether there are any witness marks, whether they've been chucked around, they are damaged, they're scratched, will give the manufacturer or the company that deals with their warranties a good clue that somebody's been in there trying to fix it. But if you've got a product where you're trying to repair it regardless of warranty, like this is a brand new 4-way socket, consumer-based electronic socket box, and it's got security screws, it's brand new, not worried about warranty because everything in here I can replace or repair myself anyway. But this ABS enclosure came with security screws. If your case has deep holes on the back, you're not going to be able to reach in there with a screwdriver bit holder because of the difference in width of the holder to what the actual bit is. If you can then identify the actual type of screw used, you can go online and buy a specific specialty screwdriver or tool to remove those. But 9 times out of 10, you want to get into something. So these screws here, these are known as Y screws. The actual brand is Y as in Yankee, because of the actual shape and profile of the head. A good tip, if you come across things where you've got hex, if you haven't got hex bits or you haven't got tri-wing bits, the best way to defeat any kind of security, especially on security screws, is to have a good old ye faithful sacrificial flathead screwdriver. A very small screwdriver, let me get it to focus, you fuck. A very small flathead screwdriver where I've just gently filed the edges of the blade, and this is my go-to sacrificial screwdriver for defeating security head screws, because even with a flathead in that profile of screw, you can still press down on it firmly and you can still remove the screw. That will work on quite a few different things like tri-wing, etc. But I thought I'd share that. Just remember, if your item has a warranty on there, do not bother going inside, because if it does break and you want to get it replaced or repaired, the first thing the manufacturer might do is look for witness marks to see whether their beautiful screws have been damaged or defaced. But there's a little tip for you. If you find the video useful, subscribe, support the channel, help it grow, press the bell icon for notifications, and watch more videos under the playlist. Thanks for watching AW Services.